A Kentucky judge is weighing a request from the ACLU that would put a temporary pause on Kentucky's abortion ban. Suing on behalf of the 2 abortion providers in Louisville, the ACLU's team was in court today asking for a temporary restraining order. LAX 18's Mike Valenti has been following the case and joins us in the studio now. That is the LAX 18 big story at 11.
Yeah, Sean, good evening. The Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe last Friday stripped women of the constitutional right to an abortion. The plaintiffs in this case acknowledge that, but they are asserting a different legal argument.
Abortion may no longer be available under the privacy right to the federal constitution, but it certainly is under the Kentucky state constitution's privacy rights and the rights to self-determination and bodily integrity.
When the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe, it kicked the debate of abortion to the states. The ACLU argues in this state, it's still protected. Anti-abortion forces say their opponents are grasping at straws.
There is not a state constitutional right to an abortion.
David Walls of the Family Foundation says Kentucky's 2019 trigger law made it clear. Should SCOTUS overturn Roe, abortion would be illegal in Kentucky, except when the life of the mother is at risk.
Right now, lives are being saved here in the Commonwealth, and anything that undoes that would do irreparable harm to the Commonwealth and to the babies in the wombs.
But healthcare workers say the anti-abortion law is already doing irreparable harm to pregnant women.
It's an untenable situation for our healthcare system.
Dr. Amy Kim is an OBGYN physician in Kentucky. She'd rather we not say where she works, but she tells us things have changed dramatically for the worse since last Friday. Her hospital has instituted a new rule that in cases of miscarriages or ectopic pregnancies, 2 physicians need to sign documentation before providing care. Dr. Kim says there is only one OBGYN physician on call overnight.
And in order to get a second physician signature, someone will have to come in from their home, like be called away from home, come into the hospital, sign off on documentation. That is unsustainable on a long-term basis for us.
Dr. Kim says language in the trigger law concerning medically necessary abortions is vague, and she worries that healthcare professionals are now forced to delay care out of fear of litigation. Again, the judge said he could rule tonight or tomorrow, most likely tomorrow at this point, on the question of the restraining order. All sides will be back in court next week to hash out constitutional questions in detail. And in November, a ballot measure will allow voters to decide whether to amend the state constitution to say there is no state right to an abortion.